business is won with base hits. A lot of people, like you said, they're looking for the triple or the home run, but the base hits throughout life, extrapolated over time, that's what absolutely wins. Like you can actually bunt a ball, get on first base, and then all of a sudden there's a home run pitch right behind you. Now you win. Like you just never know, because tenants become either other tenants or referrals, but they also become buyers eventually, and then buyers become sellers who in turn need to buy again. And then of course all of those people know people, and you lead with value, business grows, right? So how are you connecting, or what do you, so you're building a team. What are you emphasizing with your team as a way to connect that's relevant, like today, that's relevant? How are they connecting?
I would say the best thing is being objective and giving them information that they need, but don't necessarily know that they want. You can connect many other different ways, but that's what's really worked for me. And what that really, in summary, what that really means is being honest and telling a client no, or that house isn't going to be good because of this reason, or your price is too high. I think you should sell at this price or list at this price. Being objective and informative is our value, I would say, besides our marketing. But I find that to be our value, and what brings our clients back to us time and time again is that they know that we're going to be honest, we're going to be we're going to be straightforward with them, and we're going to tell them what they need to hear, not what they want to hear. And that's what really gets our clients to come back to us. I mean, we combine that with just really amazing marketing. Like Kat was saying, we do floor plans, we do 3D tours. We're working on doing more things, custom websites for our listings. But it's really the service. When they speak to you, you're going to combine what you showed that client in an email or a listing presentation with yourself, with your voice, with your persona, whatever it is, but you have to convince them as well. So having those both hand in hand really goes a long way to just showing our clients that we're the best choice to work with them. Obviously, you can get into just the micro level of this and look at just the details of neighborhoods and how experienced you are in certain areas. But really getting into those details and just being objective and honest is what's really helped us to connect. And on top of that, you really have to stay on top of clients and leads and friendships. That's one big thing that I just see a lot of people drop the ball on, that they don't stay on top of leads that come their way. Somebody reaches out to them, leaves them a message, sends them a message online, or however it is, and you're quick to follow up with that. But then the second and third, fourth, fifth follow-up, that's where people start dropping the ball, because you're always going after that hot lead. And if you have to follow up with them, it's just not as interesting anymore. And you have to keep continuing to do that. And that's where I see a lot of agents drop the ball. They're not going after the leads in a consistent form.
Yeah. So it seems like you're valuing relationship and experience over transactions. And again, coupled with time, over time, that builds business, and it builds repeat business. And
it does.
Everyone in real estate will tell you, like, repeat business, that's where that's success.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you got to get out there and hustle and lead gen all day, and you could do that, but it's exhausting.
Yeah.
So do it right in the beginning. Set up your systems as you grow, and it seems like you've just exploded to the point where now you're able to come back and like do some recapture and help your team and help your own efficiencies.
Yeah. No, exactly.